How to delete Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Instagram account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete your Instagram account, what you want to do is you want to first open up Instagram. Once you open up Instagram, here you should be logged into your account, right? You want to log into the account that you wish to delete. Once you're logged in, you should be able to get this sort of interface where you'll be on the home page. Now it's taking some time to load up, but it has loaded up. Here on the home page, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and once on your profile, you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you tap on the hamburger icon here, what you want to do is you can see various options, but you can see the very first option that says account center. So you want to head into the account center option. Under account center here, now here you want to head into the option that says personal details under account settings. You can see here second option under account settings. You want to tap on personal details, where you'll be able to see the option that says account ownership and control. You want to tap on it, and then you want to tap on deactivation or deletion, and then you want to tap on the particular account that you wish to deactivate or delete, and then you want to simply select the delete option, and then make sure that the blue check mark or the blue dot is on the delete account option. Tap on continue, enter in your password, verify it's you, and you'll be able to delete your account. So this way you can delete your Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.